Hey everybody, it's Allison and welcome back to the Unum Mundum YouTube channel. So for today's Friday 5, I will be doing my top 5 essential platforms for school. And these are going to be more project based. So they're more going to be resources for when you're doing a school project. And then next week, I'm going to do another one that's more learning and studying based. Alright, so as usual, this is my extra account for privacy reasons, so that's why everything's so blank. My actual Chrome does not look like this. I have stuff going on. Anyways, our first platform today is Google Calendar, and I think I might preach this a little bit too much, but Google Calendar is such an amazing platform. You can do so much with it, and it's a good one to start this video off because this is where you can do all your planning for school and plan out all your assignments, as well as putting all your sports practices, club meetings, everything like that. So this is a free platform to anybody that has a Google account. So I'm not going to go too in depth with this just because I did do a tutorial in the past. You can go check that out if you want. I'll link it in the description when I'm linking all these websites. But I did a Google Calendar crash course and then I did how to make an event. So I'm not going to go over too much here because those are already available, but I just wanted to bring up Google Calendar as a great tool. My next top tool for school is going to be Britannica. So obviously any research tools are good. This is just my go-to. And then if you want more in depth about various research tools, I made a video about that in the past. You can go check it out if you want, but this is just my top research tool. They have stuff pretty much about everything, and it's a very good baseline for when you're first starting your research and you need a quick background, general overview sort of thing. And this is a really good first resource to start out with. Everything's very reliable, very simple to read too. It's not too complicated. Okay, so now more moving into the actual projects. My first platform is obviously going to be Google Slides. Once again, it's free to anybody with a Google account. There's all these templates. I think I did a Google Slides tips and tricks a while back, so if you want to go check that out. But this is just very easy to use when you're making a presentation. It's very easy to edit everything, customize it, make it your own, add pictures, all that sort of stuff. I mostly use Google Slides for all my school presentations. I find it the easiest, and they're also really easy to share among people. So if you're doing a group project, it's really easy to share it with your group mates, and then if you need to send something to your teacher, it makes it very easy to share. My next platform is sort of similar. So Canva is once again free. Canva is good for making infographics. You can also make slides on here too, just like Google Slides. So they have all these templates here and you can choose whatever you want to be doing. Like there's so many on here. And Canva is better if you're more into graphic design versus Google Slides is more geared toward just text and information. But you can still do a lot with Canva, so I would definitely recommend this if you're more of an artistic person. And my final platform kind of goes along with the previous two. So this is a really good platform if you want your slides to be more interesting because Google Slides only has so many and it can get a little repetitive. So if you want your slides to be a little more interesting, but you're also not interested in doing all the design work and putting everything together, then Slides Carnival or Slides Go is another one. There's just a ton of different options here, and then a lot of them you'll see they'll have these icons here. So this C means Canva, and then this one is the Google Slides, and this is PowerPoint. So some of these only have the option to be used on Canva, and then some of them are versatile. They can be used on anything. And yeah, I believe there's a tutorial somewhere on our channel about how to use Slides Carnival or Slides Go. So once again, I'm not going to go over that. But yeah, these were my top 5 platforms. So we have Google Calendar, Britannica, Google Slides, Canva, and Slides Carnival and Slides Go. Alright, that was my top 5 essential platforms for students. Once again, they were Google Calendar, Britannica, Google Slides, Canva, and SlidesGo/Slides Carnival. As I mentioned at the beginning, I'm going to be doing another one of these next week, but it's more going to be about learning and studying platforms, so make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, make sure to subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions or future video recommendations, follow us on Instagram, and check out our website at unamundum.org. Thanks for watching!